Investors are likely glad to see this month march away. Joining us now is Dan Deming at KKM Financial. Dan, what's catching your eye this week?
Well, Angie, starting this week, end of the quarter is one thing I'm watching, repositioning as we do close out the quarter basically this week, and post-expiration repositioning. So I think that's going to have an influence on the market. Second thing would be the data points. We have several data points, PMI data early in the week and some consumer confidence data. Certainly the consumer is very heavily focused upon right now, as it does appear that there's they're losing some confidence, and also the PCE data at the end of the week. The third thing is the Fed. We have several Fed speakers throughout the week now that we're post-meeting there, and I think that that's going to have an influence in the markets as well.
Dan, you are excellent at watching stock market signals for potential clues about whether the market is headed for a bounce or a breakdown. Let's get your observations.
Well, the overriding theme, Angie, when you look at the price action in the market is, there's some key technical levels that, if we do take out the recent lows, that would be a harbinger for lower price action. But when you look at the overall market, really, it's holding up quite well, honestly. Yeah, you're seeing the big names coming under some heavy selling pressure, and you're seeing the tech sector under some selling pressure, and the small caps. But when you look at the equal weight type of strategies out there and equal weight indexes, the market's actually higher on the year. When you look at the overall market, it's just that these concentrated areas, these large cap names that have driven price action the last couple of years higher are now coming under some heavy selling pressure. And that's the focus. But I think when you look at the market as a whole, Angie, it's actually held in there quite well, given the fact that we have experienced heavy selling pressure in some of the leadership.
Thank you, Dan. Have a great week.
All right. Thanks for having me, Angie.